Have you ever tried to open a government website and suddenly seen a message saying access denied? It's frustrating, especially when you urgently need services like tax records, licenses, or official documents. But here's the truth: this error isn't random, and in most cases, it's completely fixable. An access denied error simply means the website is blocking your request, not because you did something wrong, but because government websites follow strict security rules to protect sensitive data. These systems decide who can access what, when, and from where. Let's break down the most common causes. If you're not logged in or your session expired, the site may deny access immediately. Some pages are only available to verified users, government employees, or residents of a specific region. Certain government services work only within specific countries or states. Access rights can expire, especially for applications, permits, or renewals. Sometimes the system is temporarily unavailable due to updates or security checks. You might see messages like 403 forbidden, you're blocked from this page, 401 unauthorized, login required, account access restricted, permission issue. Each message gives a clue about what's wrong. Try these simple steps. Refresh the page, log out and log back in. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Try a different browser or incognito mode. Check your internet connection. Disable browser extensions temporarily. In many cases, one of these steps solves the issue instantly. If nothing works, contact the official support team of the website. Always provide the page, URL error message, time, and date of the issue. This helps them resolve it faster. Access. Denied errors can be annoying, but they're usually about security, not failure. Understanding how they work gives you control instead of frustration. For more clear explanations on technology, systems, and digital access, visit HUManityUAPD.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge driven content.